In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the schwa vowel sound. This vowel is always unstressed. The mouth position is a lot like the as in butter vowel, but that vowel can be and usually is stressed. But just like that vowel, everything in your lips, jaw, and neck should be relaxed for this sound. Just slightly drop your jaw to make this sound. The trick is to keep everything else relaxed. Let's look at the vowel up close and in slow motion. It's possible to make this sound on its own with just the slightest jaw drop, but in actual words you will likely see a bit more jaw drop, like here on the word sofa. Lips relaxed, cheeks relaxed, tongue forward and relaxed. As I said, this vowel can only be in an unstressed syllable. All other vowel and diphthong sounds can either be stressed or unstressed. So the schwa will always be really fast and low in pitch. Sofa. Ability. The schwa goes with the syllabic consonants L, M, N, and R. That means when you have a syllable with a schwa followed by one of these consonants, you don't need to make the schwa. It gets absorbed by the next sound. For example, the word father, there. Just go from the TH sound right into the R sound without trying to make a separate schwa. Father, there. The schwa, always unstressed. Sofa. Ability. Example words. Repeat with me. Allow. Allow. Extra. Extra. Data. Data. Again. Again. Visa. Visa. About. About. This video is one of 36 in a new series, The Sounds of American English. Videos in this set will be released here on YouTube twice a month, first and third Thursdays in 2016 and 2017. But the whole set can be all yours right now. The real value of these videos is watching them as a set, as a whole, to give your mind the time to take it all in and get the bigger picture. Most of the materials you'll find elsewhere just teach the sounds on their own, in isolation. It's a mistake to learn them this way. We learn the sounds to speak words and sentences, not just sounds. Move closer to fluency in spoken English. Buy the video set today. Visit rachelsenglish.com/sounds. Available as a DVD or digital download. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe. Either click here or in the description. But don't stop there. Keep learning with my American English in Real Life playlist, my Ben Franklin playlist, or my Word of the Week series. Click on me to check out my channel where there are hundreds of great videos. Don't forget to visit my website where you can learn about my premium membership and online courses.